So you joined me on day two in Lake District, and I was at Ullswater today. Got on one of these lovely boats over to a place called Aira Waterfalls, which is a trip I've been keen to do for a while. And then in the afternoon, I then got back on the boats, across the water again, and took a walk up Hallin Fell, just in the background here. And it was an absolutely stunning day's walk in, and just a really lovely day throughout. So yeah, hop along. Hope you enjoyed the video on this one.
I'm just walking through this magical forest now on the way to the waterfall. Absolutely stunning. It's quite kind of pine trees and yeah, very different feel to it. It's absolutely beautiful though. Nice bit of shade, which is not good considering how hot it's been. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. So just seen the waterfalls there. I think, well, I'm going to go and try and look down on them from above first, and then I think you can go to the bottom and look up. I think I might have been here before. It's ringing some very distant memories somewhere. Maybe it's something with scouts or something. But yeah, hopefully get a good view down, and then back down and up again. Beautiful, right? Amazing, love it. Right, it's just making my way back down now. Hope you saw the waterfall, very impressive. Absolutely, yeah, really nice to walk up there and back. Just making my way back down now to the car park and the boat jetty. Don't want to miss it because it's like an hour and a half for the next one. I need to go kind of back and then back up to where I want to be next. But what a lovely short trip up to Aira Force. Highly recommend it. Really, really nice. Okay, he's just got off the third boat of the day, now in Hallin, which is just at the base of Hallin Fell up there, which I want to try and get up. It's only a little one, 388 metres. But I've seen it on quite a few videos, and it's meant to be quite a nice view up there, even though it's not the highest. A nice little wild camping spot as well. So yeah, just want to try and get up there nice and easy, back down. As just taking it a little bit easier today after yesterday. I want to save some legs for tomorrow as well. So yeah, let's get cracking, see if we can get up there. Right, just starting up this little steep bit, only a couple of 100 metres up, and look, absolutely amazing view already. That is the northern end of Ullswater there, down to Pooley Bridge down at the end where the final stop of the boats go. I'm not going there today. It's already absolutely amazing. What a day. Right, made it top of Hallin Fell. What a view. What an absolute corker of a view. All the way down Ullswater, one end to the other. Over there, yes, Helvellyn Range where I was yesterday. Absolutely beautiful. And I can see why this view club's highly recommended. It's, I mean, talk about banging for your buck. I mean, it's not a huge amount of work to get over here, 388 metres, and what a view. Just goes to show you don't have to be at 900 metres to enjoy it. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, so back down. Yeah, where are we? There you go. Hallin Fell, done. Really nice, really enjoyed that. Just got about half an hour before the boats take me back. It's a nice way to end the walk. Yeah, I think I'll leave it on there, that note for this one. Really enjoyed it today. Not as leg breaking as yesterday, but yeah, I need some energy for tomorrow, so hopefully another final good day to come tomorrow. So thanks for watching, see you on that one.